Hello everybody, here's my photogenic little friend, Harriet. Lie down, my darling. Lie down, my baby. Oh, she just had a little wipe down with her pet wipes, her, okay. Pet wipes, and she's not keen on that, but she had a brush as well, which she likes. Ever such a clean little cat she is. And she's such fun, aren't you? Mummy loves you so much. I honestly wasn't sure how I would feel having another animal after our dog died, about 7 years ago now. And it took me a long time. And then there were 3 sisters: Harriet, a sister, Sean. Now it was going to be Siobhan, it's Sean, and her other little sister, whose name I don't know. And they would have been in a shelter. So one of my kids had one, I had one, and a friend had the other sister. So, I mean, can you imagine them being in a shelter? It would have been... I hate those places, even the no-kill shelters. There's one that we support which is very good, where one of my kids gets cats from, a no-kill shelter, and we support that, but there's no comparison, is there, between that and a loving home? I mean, look at this. Madam, she sleeps where she wants to sleep, basically. She's still got her little bed under the stool over there, underneath that little curtain, and she's got that little bed at the bottom down there where the carrot and stuff is. She's got a bed downstairs. She's got a bed in the front room. So she's all set, aren't you? You're famous, you know. A lot of people know you now. She has got bigger, hasn't she? Please tell me I'm not imagining it, because her little eyes seem to me to be a lot rounder than they were. But she's a fabulous little girl. I just got out of bed because I dozed off, and I got out of bed and I was calling her, and I was looking around the room. I looked in the bathroom, I looked under the bed, and where was she? All the time on my pillow. Now, I understand that Foodie Beauty has gotten a cat. Oh, those little lights up there stay on all night. So I understand anyway that Foodie has gotten a cat. You know, I'm not flattering myself to say that I wonder if it's because I've gotten Harriet, but there's been a few things that have occurred with me, and then lo and behold, a little bit later on, there she comes with something similar. Not mukbangs or anything like that, I hasten to add. I can't remember, there was something recently, and I was thinking, I bet that's come from what I did. So anyway, hello my darling. You're coming to Mummy. Hello my darling. Oh, that's lovely. Washing on it. That is so nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love that. So anyway, yeah, she's gotten herself a cat. Called it Julia, I understand. That actually is a name I like very much. And I've got a niece called that. But she's called the cat Julia. And where has she gotten it from? Did she go out and pick it up off the streets and bring it in? Or did she, as she seems to be saying, get it from someone? Did she buy it from someone? Is it pure breed? I don't know. But listen, and you listen carefully, you moron. You have to go home very shortly. You're going to have to do something. You can't stay there indefinitely on a visitor's visa. So what's going to happen when you go home? Oh yeah, Salah will look after Julia like he looks after Howie. Is that the original Howie? Or have you had a couple of replacements Howies? I wonder. Cat is somewhat different. Larger. A little bit more demanding, even though they're quite independent. I mean, look at this baby now, having a wash. But the cat is still going to need certain things. Going to need vets visits. Have you arranged your first vet visit? Have you arranged vaccinations, particularly in a country like Kuwait? Have you? And will your cat be going for an annual vet visit? But oh, wait a minute. You're saying that you and Salah are going to be travelling. What's going to happen when you go travelling? What's going to happen with Harry and Julia then? You talk about putting Harry in a backpack and taking him off on your journeys. That isn't going to be possible. Different countries won't allow that. You're an idiot. So you've taken on responsibility for 2 animals now without taking on responsibility or thinking things through properly. You've got your cat as a prop. You've got your cat to wind people up and stir the drama. You've got your cat for a little bit of company during the day, because heaven knows all you've got is a rodent on a daily basis. And I'm not talking about Salah. I will be back, idiot.